Hey folks, Phil with CMH-INC.com. This is one of our heavy duty aluminum route distribution hand trucks. This is a hand truck that has disc brakes mounted in the wheels and axle of the hand truck. So when a route distribution driver is going up and down a ramp, they can use this to apply the brake and allow them to go down the ramp slower to keep them safe and injury-free. This has heavy-duty 10-inch pneumatic wheels, solid nose plate, stair climbers on the back, and of course the brake mechanism for the disc brakes.